Your Equinox EV features drive modes that you can select to automatically adjust various vehicle systems based on your driving preferences, the weather, and road conditions. To find the drive modes, select the Drive Modes icon on the infotainment screen. You will see 4 options. The first is Normal, and you want to use Normal when you're looking for a smooth ride under normal driving situations. The second is Sport, and Sport is going to give you enhanced responsiveness. The third is Snow and Ice mode, and you can use this when you're looking for enhanced traction on snowy surfaces. And the final is My mode, and My mode allows you to personalize the settings for acceleration feel, for braking, for steering, for the motor sound, so that you can make the vehicle perform just as you want it to. Thanks for taking a minute to learn about Equinox EV, and enjoy your drive.